Hello everybody, this is us again, Alena Miano with Keller Williams Columbia and
Ruth Wiley with Go Mortgage.
And Kira. She's bored. I'm sorry guys, we've been working all day. So okay, so we have something to talk about today. I actually had somebody contact me other day and ask me if they can get pre-approved without having their credit card pulled. Common question, right?
I hear that a lot.
Let's talk about it.
Short answer, no.
Oh,
No.
no.
So your pre-approval is going to be based off of looking at your credit. So basically requiring that actual hard pull and looking throughout all three credit bureaus. We're going to look at Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Typically what we go off of is going to be your middle of the three scores. And then we look at your assets. So we're going to probably ask for bank statements, or we're going to ask for, let's say you have a 401k that you want to use those funds for your down payment or closing costs. So any of those type of documents are going to be your assets. Then we'll look at your income documentation.
Okay.
So that's going to be either your tax returns if you're self-employed, or that you receive a lot of commission, or it's going to be pay stubs, or if, let's say, if you're retired, then we're going to ask for the retirement statements.
Okay.
So with all those documents, it's going to be looking at your credit, your assets, your income. All that's going to really make up your actual pre-approval.
Okay.
And then if you see the pre-qualification, then that's not really looking. That's going to be a ballpark figure.
I had something to add on top of the pre-qualification. As a listing agent, as an agent that representing sellers. I know I have been in a couple situations where the buyers could not get actually pre-approved. Almost 2 days before we closed. So that's the money spent on inspection from the buyer side. That's the money spent on appraisal from the buyer side. And 2 days before closing, the lender that actually didn't pre-approve the buyer, they just pre-qualified them without pulling their credit. Then they find out, oh, hey, we cannot give you a loan. So there you go. That's actually your expense that you need to think about. And I think it's better to be pre-approved right away and know that you're going to get that loan, right?
Yeah, ultimately you want the lender that takes the time up front, looks at your documents, looks at your credit, looks at everything, runs you through the automated underwriting system, and sees no issue with you then getting pre-approved for that loan.
And then you don't spend all that money on inspections and appraisal and everything else, and 2 days before closing, you find out that you cannot get that extra loan.
Exactly, because then also you don't want to be looking. If let's say you have a credit card that only has, let's say, $600 on it, then you don't want to be going out and you don't want to be looking for $5,000 closings or whatever the case.
Okay.
Like, you need to know what you have to bring to the table,
That's
what
true.
to shop with.
That's true.
So it's the same thing as actually going shopping.
Yeah.
When you purchase a home, you got to know what you have and what you can do.
I'm sorry. We have a toddler.
She gets excited about
This
loans.
is ridiculous.
Lending.
I think that's it. That answered the question. I think that's it. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I love you. Like always, if you guys have any questions, if you need to know anything in particular, let us know. We are available by phone, text, mail, fax,
Pigeon.
and pigeon. I hope you have a good day. Bye.